everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed our last couple videos. If you do, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. We really want to hear your guys' feedback on our new videos. Done so far, we were able to get the rear bumper installed last night, and we also got some of the front suspension components on, and we're hoping to have this truck completed, or at least on the ground, by the end of tonight.
What are you doing? That's freshly powder coated, man.
Oh, just grinding it off.
Why?
You gotta weld this onto the axle.
Really super custom stuff right here, Mike, right? This is like for SEMA builds
State of
only.
the art. State of the art, bro.
Is this for SEMA only? SEMA builds only get this kind of quality, right?
Yep.
So what's your actual plan with this?
We're gonna use, I don't know, some people call them worm clamps or band clamps eventually. But this is just temporarily to hold it up so it doesn't mess up the sticker and keeps it all kind of nice.
I'm not kidding you guys. Every time we start filming something, that horn from the train goes off.
Train.
Why?
You gotta.
Every time. It's all day long.
We are having a good day here at High Altitude Trucks. You can tell by looking at the truck, we have gotten a lot of progress done. Today's Tuesday, so we still have today and 3 more days until this thing has to be on a trailer. And by the looks of it, we're gonna be really close to having this thing on the ground tonight. Made some good progress today, and yeah, don't have very much left to do. So it's just a little alignment and adjustment and wiring, and yeah, looking good. I just got a memory from a year ago today. This was our SEMA build last year, so you can see 1 year ago today, and the Hummer was just on, basically the suspension was done on the frame, and 1 year later we're basically already finished.
We're looking a hell of a lot better this year as far as time goes.
Yeah. Crazy.
Oh my gosh, would you just look at it? Oh, would you just look at it? Right, just look at it.